Hey guys, it's Life of AB. Hi sa indayog sa mga wakdara. So for today's video, we are going to review some cosmetic products sponsored by Cookie Box Cosmetics. So the PR just arrived and I'll try my best to use English or Tagalog for this video since we are expanding our audience. So here, let's open it. I'm using electric fan po kasi ang init. Okay. Ang hirap na open. So it comes in a bubble wrap kasi nga shipped and all. So here's the lip scrub. This is macaron lip scrubs. And then we have the pastry tinted lip balms. Okay, so you can find the shop on Instagram. Lagay ko dito yung screenshot. And first, we're going to try or review the macaron lip scrub. So this comes for 125 SRP. So normally, I don't use lip scrub kasi yung ordinary lang yung ginagamit ko. That's Vaseline lip scrub. But of course, we're going to try this one. So, the packaging, it's in macaron. Ang cute-cute, parang macaron. And, so may label siya. But there are no, oh meron, okay. So, macaron lip scrub in bubble gum. Comes with the logo. And Cookie Box Cosmetics, 100% natural. So, FDA approved ingredients as they claim sa shop. Ingredients are raw sugar, vitamin E, vitamin C, sweet almond, jojoba oil, and honey. So what we're gonna do is to try this one right now. So ito try natin to. But before that, let's zoom in. Pasensya na sa eye bags. Stress from work. Okay, so that's my lips right there. Okay, so try natin to. So I normally have cracky lips. Okay, so ito yung nakalagay. So I think this was naging ganito siya dahil sa pag-ship. But let's try this one right now. So scent first. Okay. It smells like bubble gum. Okay. So, lalagay natin. Okay. It tastes good po. Ang tamis-tamis. I think it's edible because it's so sweet. Okay, so sugary talaga siya. Parang may mga little na buhangin sa lips mo. And the scent is there while you're applying it. Yeah, so I think lalagyan natin to for about 1 minute. Okay, so 1 minute is over. Before I continue, gusto ko po siyang i-swatch. Just so you could see na mayroon siyang tint. So that's it. It's like a dark blue but di mo naman siya makikita clearly because, again, it's like na crystal style, parang sugar. Okay, so let's continue. Let's wipe it off. Init-init. Zoom natin. Zoom the camera. Ayan. Zoom pa. Ayan. Okay, so madali lang siyang tanggalin. And the taste is still there. The scent is still there. So maganda. And look at my lips. It's very soft, honestly. It's very soft, tapos ang kintab-kintab ng aking lips. So, yeah, my impression is it's very good. The lip scrub is very good. I don't have lots to say because, like I said earlier, I don't really use lip scrubs, but this one is very good. Ang ganda-ganda ng feel sa lips. Although may parang konting sting, but I think that is because the product is working and it's very effective. And makikita nyo naman ang kintab-kintab ng lips ko. And I really have dry lips. So, that's a plus. So now we're going to try the pastry tinted lip balms. Okay, so you can get one of these from, at 119 pesos. So these are only the 4 tints they have as of now. So the ingredients, first the packaging pala. So the packaging, it's in a shiny bottle. Of course, with that thing right there, twistable. And I think this is paper, sticker paper, I'm not sure. But it's, like understandable for the price. And then, the ingredients are Serra Alba, olive oil, castor oil, Prunus persica oil. So I think naman this one are, of course, organic ingredients, FDA approved. And so, let's watch this babies. So this can also be, I think, applicable for the cheeks, if you want. So the first one is Bloom. That's Bloom right there. So let's watch that baby. Baby! Sana all baby. So yan, that's Bloom. It's kind of like a pale red. Before we try, swatch muna natin lahat. And then we have Cookie Dough. Cookie Dough. Okay, this one's Cookie Dough. Swatch. Okay, so Cookie Dough, it's kind of like a peachy one. I don't know if makikita sa cam. Okay, ayan. And then the next one is Toasted. So it's a bright red. Okay, that's it. It's kind of like pale red something. Pero makikita mo naman dito na it's bright red. So, I don't think it's not that pigmented. But hindi pa naman natin na-try sa lips. So, yeah, that's it. And then the next one, the last one is Baked. Okay, this is Baked. Swatch. Dami na. Oh, okay. So this one is the dark shade. Okay, so now let's start trying them on my lips. My not kissable lips. Okay, wait, let's zoom in. Okay, so first let's try. Okay, natataranta na ako. Okay. Let's try the first one, which is Bloom. Okay, let's try Bloom. Bloom baby. Ayan, ang ganda-ganda pa rin ng feel sa lips. Honestly, of the lip scrub. It's so nice. So smooth. I like it so much. Okay. Okay, so wala siyang scent. Does not have, wait. It does have a little bit of a scent, pero di siya halata. Like, in first mo na pag-sniff. It's a sweet scent. I can explain it, pero sweet siya. Okay. So the good thing about this one, I think, is this is a very smooth lip balm. And also, of course, if you use it with the lip scrub, swak na swak siya kasi tingnan mo naman, smooth feel, dali-daling i-apply. And it's very smooth on the lips. Although it's a bit sticky. But I think that's normal for lip balms. So that is the shade. That is the shade right there for Bloom. And then the next one we have, what's the next one? Cookie dough. We have cookie dough next. Wait lang muna. Oh, it's, ang tagal niya matanggal. Ah, okay. So this is long lasting. Okay. Oh, ayan, di pa rin matanggal. Wow. Oh, okay. So, plus for that. Okay, di talaga siya natatanggal. So hard to, remove. So, maganda siya. Long lasting. But let's try, apply another one. Like another layer na lang siguro kasi di naman natatanggal madali. Cookie dough. Oh, okay. So, cookie dough, it's kind of like the nude shade. Sorry po kung low quality yung camera ko. I'm so sorry. Ano pa po tayong proper cam. Okay, so the smell of this one is like the other one. Sweet smelling. And then, it's still smooth on the lips. Grabe siya mag-glide. Not shiny like the other one though. So yan ang shade niya. Parang nude. It's kind of like the nude shade. And so we have the next one. Sorry, ang tagal talaga niyang matanggal. How about we try removing this one. Tingnan natin kung matagal din siyang matanggal. Okay. So, easy lang matanggal yung cookie dough. And there is still something on my lips from Bloom. So, I think it depends on the tint. If dark yung tint, then it would be very hard to remove. Okay. Pero ang ganda ng lips, ang ganda ng tingnan ng lips ko. Like, I think I don't need that tint anymore. Because it's so makintab. Okay, another one. We have toasted. So, this is toasted. I'm expecting na dark din to. Kasi, it shows. Duh. Okay. Okay, so this one, para siyang may clay feel. Like that. Although it's still sticky. Oh, so on the lips, para siyang bright orangey na red. Kasi di naman talaga nakikita talaga sa pag swatch dito. So when on the lips, it's different. Okay, that's very impressive. But I am not, feel ko talaga di ako bagay sa mga ganitong kulay. Because of my skin tone, I'm not blessed with a very good skin. But of course, I'm still contented with my skin. Duh, love yourself. Okay. So that's it. That's the shade of... What was that again? That was the shade of Toasted. Okay, let's have the next one. Let's remove this first. Yeah. No, I forgot the like kissing test, something. No amount of that. Pero natanggal na kasi, so let's try that with the last one. Ay, so di pa rin siya natatanggal. I feel like there's a mixture of the lip balms. But I think this is so good for like trips or something na you need your lips to be long lasting. Yung hindi ka makakaroon ng chance na mag-retouch. And then we have Baked, the last one. So my lips are still very smooth. Grabe, thank you so much. And the taste is still there. Although na I wiped off some of the excess. Oh no, all of the excess possible. The taste of the lip scrub is still there. Okay. Oh, okay, so this is like the sexy red. And this one is very sweet smelling. Like, ang lakas ng smell niya. Unlike dun sa other ones. It smells very good. It smells like strawberry. Ayan. Okay, so this is a sexy red. Dark red. Ayan. I like this one. Sorry, hindi ako mahilig fierce na pose kasi I don't have that kind of face na maganda tingnan pag nag-fierce. Okay. So, let's try the, like parang, anong tawag doon? Kissing test. This is my first review. I'm so sorry. Okay. So, it does have a pigment na malakas. I think all of it, pero na-forget ko lang na kiss test. Let's just call that the kiss test. Okay. So, like the other ones, it is also hard to remove. Ang daming nalagay. But, it stays there. It stays there. Okay, let's zoom that out so you can see. See, it stays there. Ang gandang tignan. Okay, so my final judgment, these products, is, first let's go back to the lip scrub. Okay, so the packaging, very good. Maganda kasi nakalagay yung ingredients, so you can research about that and like know if it's good for your lips, if it's organic. So a plus for that. And ang cute-cute ng packaging, like macaroon style. Because of course, it's the concept of their shop. Kasi cookie box. And the lip scrub for me is very good. I can really say it's very good. Although like I said, I don't try a lot of lip scrubs. I just use Vaseline lip scrub. So this is good for me. Ang kintab-kintab ng lips ko. It has a smooth feel. The scent is good. And the taste is still there. Like until now, it is still there. And it's very good. Although they have another lip scrub, it's in strawberry flavor. So I think it's a must try. And for the price, $125, it's actually really good. So I recommend this one. 5 stars for this one. And then the next, we have the pastry tinted lip balms. This 4 babies right here. So first, the packaging, it's like the ordinary style. But I think it's not really the packaging that should be a big deal because, the quality should be, like prioritized. So for me, it has an okay type of packaging. The scent is just normal scent for lip balms. Although the toasted has the best scent, the sweetest scent. That's fine with me. With the quality, maganda siya, very smooth, easy to apply, and what else can I say? Like it's easy to easy lang siyang i-glide sa lips mo. But I think that is also because of the lip scrub. So I think this must go together if you're gonna buy some of their lip products. And also Cookie Box Cosmetics has lip tints. And what else? Oh, it's very long lasting, so that is a plus. Because if you're gonna use this one for, occasions, then you don't need to retouch that much. Go to the ladies' room, stuff like that. And I think it's very efficient that it has, twistables, something like that. So, yeah, and it does have a light, sticky feel. But unlike those ones na parang, it's so awkward on your lips, like the other lip balms. This one is very, parang light lang siya. So that's fine. Yeah, so the overall for this one is 4 stars. I try my best to give a very honest review. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to do more reviews soon. I hope you did learn a lot from this review and consider buying from Cookie Box Cosmetics. Thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity to endorse your products, and more power to you guys. Bye!